Welcome guys to Tesla Club India channel. Nikhil Chaudhary here. We are going to do a video series of tutorials for Model 3 and Model Y potential owners in India so that they understand the vehicle before taking delivery of their Tesla. Nash from Tesla in the Gong is going to help us do this, so make sure you check out his channel as well.
Alright, in our previous tutorial, we saw how we can set up the NFC key card to lock and unlock our Tesla Model 3. If you have not watched that, check the description of this video for the previous tutorial. In this video, we shall see the Model 3 key fob, how to set it up and how to use it. Most importantly, what additional features will the key fob give you over the key card. Now, it is a cool looking device and it is in the shape of our Model 3. Of course, the Model Y key fob will look like the Model Y. Now let's look at setup first. Obviously, you would need the key fob and you will also need the authenticated key card that we used in the previous video for the initial setup. You need to go into settings, then into locks, then press on that plus button to add a key. Now this menu shows you that you can add another key card, another key fob, and a phone as well. Now in the case of this video, we're going to add our key fob. First, you need to place the key fob behind the cup holder, and as you no doubt have guessed, it is behind this cup holder that the NFC reader is present. Once the card recognizes the key fob, you need to remove it and then place the key card to authenticate. The key fob is now added and is labeled as an unknown key. You can now name the key fob, and I have named this as Nash key fob. Now each of the surfaces of this key fob is a button. If you press on the roof of the key fob once, it will lock the car. If you press on the roof twice, it will unlock the car. If you double press on the boot, or the trunk as it's called, it will open the boot. And if you double tap it again, it will close the boot. As you know, our Model 3s have a powered trunk now. If you double tap on the front or the front trunk, it will unlock the front trunk. Unfortunately, at the time of making this video, there is no OEM powered front trunk. However, there are third-party options to add a powered front trunk, but that is for another video. Again, a single press on the roof closes, and double tap opens the doors. Now for more functionality, if you long press the trunk, it opens the charge port. Pretty cool, isn't it? Of course, if you have full self-driving package, then you can summon the car with your key fob. There is a separate summon and smart summon video in the channel, but for now, let's see how this works. To activate, long press on the roof of the key fob. The lights will start blinking and the parking lights will briefly turn on. Now, depending on the direction that you want the car to move, you can either press on the front trunk or on the rear trunk to make the car move forward or backward. In this case, I'm pressing on the front trunk, and lo and behold, the car moves forward. You can stop summon by pressing on the roof. Now there is one more thing. You can just keep your key fob inside your pocket and open the door, just like that. Now that's all folks. This is how you set up the key fob and use it, and the additional functionality this amazing looking key fob gives you. Now don't forget to check out the other methods to lock and unlock your car in the Tesla Club India channel forums. If you are in the market for a Tesla of your own, any of the S3, X or Y, kindly consider using my referral code to get 1,500 kilometers of free supercharger credit. This 1,500 supercharger credit is available at the time of making this video. A subscription to my channel will be highly appreciated, and don't forget to follow Tesla Club India in all the socials. I'll see you guys in another interesting video very soon. Until then, this is Nash from Tesla in the Gong, signing off. Peace.